So I get sad. I get sad every time I have to put cord inside this thing. So another quick tip, right? You got your pack out, and it's meant to put stuff in it, but you don't want to put your cord in it because this is what cords do, right? They're just a mess. So forget that. Cord Cobra, Packible tool. Sponsored video. No, he didn't pay me a thing, but he did send me the stuff for free, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So simple, a Packout, an M12 install tool with a jig stand. It's the only way to do it. See, it stays standing up. Okay, so there's 2 screws on the top. Undo them. 2 screws on the side / towards the bottom. Undo those. Now, Alex Packible includes these set screws. They pierce your rail. In this design, his aluminum design, they don't. I also don't mind that this moves around a little, so I'm not using these. So that's what's different in this video. But it's pretty simple. Just slide your rails down. You don't have to take them all the way out. Slide your cord Cobra on, realign it at the top. Slide the cord Cobra on the other side. Realign it. Make sure it's pushed in. Make sure your hole's lined up. Drive your screws back in the bottom if they're all lined up. So flip the Packout back on its side. And as I said, there's the set screws, right? So you could put this in the middle and set them. I'm not going to do that. All I'm going to do now is take my cord Cobra. And I'm a crisscross kind of guy.
Because crisscross make you wanna
jump. This helps if you have it on the Packout stack. If you did it right, you can get them to align. If you did it wrong, then you can wrap it around a couple times. Plug your cord in, and since it moves, I can now get to my handle. So yeah, this cord Cobra, he's got a video of him taking and smacking these things with a sledgehammer. These things are strong, and the aluminum ones are even stronger. But that's a pretty simple install of the cord Cobra. Let me show you something else I installed. Probably, you're watching both these videos, I installed the level lizard, which is the exact same way install method. You probably want to use the set screws on these if you don't have a joey, or just get yourself a joey and then it holds itself up. So now, I have a complete Packout from Packible, just about. I've got my joey, my level lizard, my cord Cobra. Again, like I said, when it's on the Packout, it's a lot easier to wrap. But you have a place to put your cord. It doesn't get in a bundle. Pretty simple setup. So this is not Jake of all. This is Packible tool, but I'm the Jake of all, and these are Packouts.